ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Hababo hakamat ya kathong ban hikai sengkam ya ki nong song snong ki ba angnot ban seng ya la ki jong ki kam ki jam da ka ba yeng hala ki jong ki kijan ka Belfonte Community College ka badan halom siap golfling Shillong hagala asngi ublay jong ka pratari ubanai naiwing arjar arpuway kala play pai ba ya ka agro based food processing industry ba ya ka computer center Yagini ki artli ki jaka ajing hi kai pentibit la play do MBC jong ka maukhar penthor khra constituency uba penshingai NCM ubalalong kumukongsan harenkat ka jing edon lang ka executive officer jong ka KVIC ka Josephine Zodin Pui u assistant officer ka KVIC uba modern lingdo I resource person I kongsilda thaba I mother provincial jong ka FMA I sister Elizabeth George president jong ka Belfonte Community College I sister Helen Pui but kiway lingba ganiga agro based food processing industry kinongsha hikai pentibit kin sayo ru ya ka jingkdo linti niki bor penyaj ban wad ya ki scheme jingerap naga sarkar pedeng ka bajumang kerpang ban ai shiki breu ki bakwa ban seng ya ka kam ka jam da ka bayeng halaki jong ki kijan
ataya nasai artayo kin yo ai ganiga program ki jikai sadon nong hikai ru balat bit ba bala yo ki jingmatoy naga office jungir mo ko hadin ba pila kon ya kini program in sa ai sa sam ya phi ka wei ka group ya ki tools ki toolkits ki bare dor to kata ni kwa ba pin shu bu la ne pin shu ka pilens ya ri ki machine ba pin yo ki kwa ba pin penan kam to kata ndai tang kata ro hadin ba pila yo ini ki jingikai na kerpat kan kami sister ba in khot lang ki nong ai jing ten le sing ba ni ki pinja insurance company ba ni ki yang juki banks ba ki department DIC Karibut Pemikiran in share lang ini, hakan mengudur berpindah berpindah, men sedang bersengkam hakinong tahu pisang bisa jadi berpindah berpindah yang lagi jom kerja. Yang kedua berpindah meruai dulu, nak office ini don keskin kebagi ke Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Apa mana lah apply ini keskin klaim dah don kami jing pule, don jing pule ro tidak menonsin bentai ini keskin. Kami tak mampu belayo, bela pas dengan kita tinggal lesepin kami don jing idea sipun no ban si bentai ni ke skim bayar lembah jong ki bank dengan kemen ban ben jong ki bela yawan ne klai download ki account sa ki bank man kata kata pas priority ki bagi don kam da pimdon ki account ha ki bank sim jing jejar hadu kata nak sama lagi yang jong office ro bangin ai ki jing era bebi nomor munta direct nak office ne na mano ban ai direct epi in cash kam ju kam long shu la do kita ki anji ki don kita ngin hapan ya lembah jong
venture that you launched out today, which speaks volumes of your interest for the growth and livelihood of the society. In a challenging and competitive world today, competency in technology, life skills, and income-generating activities is indeed the most urgent need of the hour. The event that we celebrate today showcases the passion of this center for the type of lifelong learning of all those who frequent this institution to provide not just necessary academic knowledge but also the required skills and for life sustenance. I am sure this undertaking of this day will help to explore and push back the frontiers of knowledge towards the less privileged children and young people of the society in many ways, and to instill in the young people passion for lifelong learning in pursuit of knowledge to make them sustainable, competitive and employable. On the occasion of this inaugural ceremony, I would like to convey my best wishes and God's blessings to every member who forms part of this institution, that your effort to reach out to the needs of the society may open wider prospects for many young people in particular. I also appreciate very much the interest of the Department of the Khadi and Village Industries to come up with this initiative to network with BCC in this project, which will undoubtedly enhance the zeal of our youngsters in the field of technology and agro-based activities. I am sure this combined effort will open ways for many more opportunities for young people that will subsequently boost up the employment and economic returns in the society. We look forward to more associations and networking for the betterment of the society.
Time has come that we should not be too much only on some other kind of development that cannot survive economically. We should look at some kind of project that enjoys economically, that create employment. So, I can answer on the sister Helen, my vision. But then start a new team. But just look at a new team. Captain Saya. You haven't basically but my belong unique belong compare. Nagai kita ini sekian ni. Kita sudah dari kosmo, micro, fields, industry. Nagai pa kami harap sebut je ni. Berkembang tanpa kan kagam tentang bandong Shinkia dia. Dia ban sudah tanggal hukum. Di ban Shinkia. Bahaya juga problem ini berkembang. Ini big industries kan. You have a small kind of cooperative society there. They buy it there. They become big industry. Di bawah hero dari study small industry of dia. Karena ini apa yang buat besar. Kabar kerja orang kita mau tengah digawe. Ini bantu sepat ni lagi. Bantu sepat ni digawe mo. Nah, saya tu bahar. We are in a generation where so much self-centeredness. You want everything to a family for a personal benefit, not for a benefit of society. Yang saya hidup dari hamroy, long yang saya kamera di kuih. Kaji ni kalau kita penbun di nom tray, ya kenang pada kau benefit itu kali yang siapa mau pati lagi. Ini my cooperation. Mau kalau ada no bentuk bentuk, kan ini kebanggaan. I'll try to do my best. Bapak saya kamu. Kadang ai kan no jing ai, kadang kan ai ka phatam na ka no junga ini kebaya corporate. If I have the best na ka no for my heart. Because I learned so many things from Sister Helen, from many sisters we have here, beautiful. So I learned so many things to enrich myself, so that I contribute to others. When I get something from Sister Helen, I give to others. Congratulations for boys and girls. Beautiful dance, beautiful song, beautiful presentation. I feel very happy to sit here, not only because of this program, but for you also because of beautiful programs, beautiful presentation given to us this morning. So I really enjoy. So I do hope that this center will be a success. God will bless this center in the day to come, and all of these but the training of God will get who you be. But now we can enjoy my voice, my institute. Because along with this, the place, the Catholic Social